Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, August 28th, and we're going to take a look here at the S&P. Talk a little bit about what I'm watching here going into NVDA earnings, which are after hours today. So market's been holding its breath all week, waiting on NVIDIA, and then today we broke out of the short-term consolidation, pushed to the downside. However, that brings us right to the bottom end of this range for a much bigger consolidation pattern that we're paying attention to. So if you look, this is a 120-minute price chart. We're going to have resistance on the S&P up here between 56.60 and 56.67. Then on the downside, we have support down below us, ranging from 55.65, which is last week's low, up to 55.82 and 3/4, which was the previous major pivot low we had here. So this is the channel essentially that I'm watching for us to break through. Now keep in mind, within the context of this consolidation pattern, we are also still want to keep in mind that weekly bearish divergence that's at play, where we have just about equally high highs here on price on the ES, but we have significantly lower momentum. And I've said this before, but remember, these precede majority 90% of major downturns we've had in the S&P over the past 50, 60 years. So keep an eye on that. Weekly bearish divergences are not something to ignore. That being said, it has to trigger. The bearish divergence only triggers if we get down below last week's low and we can stay below last week's low. So if that's the case, then we look for more downside and follow through to the downside. But until then, watch for the breakout here. And the catalyst for this breakout could easily be the NVIDIA earnings tonight. So be watching for them coming out here tonight. But that is it for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It again, caution with whatever you're holding going into NVIDIA earnings. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.